Hey, I'm Sherry Holmes, and today I'm going to show you a really easy drywall repair for either your walls or your ceilings. I've set up a quick little hole here to demonstrate in our warehouse how it's going to work. Before you get started, here's a list of the tools that you're going to need. And don't worry, I promise it's very easy. It really is a DIY project for everyone. You're going to need a putty knife, FibaTape wall repair patch, razor blade knife, putty, sanding sponge, measuring tape, and also any safety gear if you want your glasses and masks just to keep the dust under control. Now the first thing you're gonna do is clean up some of the edges around the hole that you're repairing. So take your knife, your putty knife, and make sure you don't have any jagged edges sticking out and clear any of the debris so it's not gonna be in the way of either the patch or the putty. Now you're gonna measure the size of the hole that you need to fix, which will determine the size of the patch you're using. You can also cut the patch to size. There are a few different ways to fix any patches in your ceiling or your wall, but I love these patches. They're really easy to use, and I'm gonna show you how easy they are. The patch is made from patented reinforced fiberglass mesh that helps protect the repair from both reoccurring cracking and damage. It has an aluminum backing that helps provide that strong bond that we're looking for, and it won't rust. It's self-adhesive, so you just peel off the back liner, apply it to the wall, and press it into place. And it leaves a nice, smooth, flawless finish, which I love. When you apply your compound, you'll see that it embeds itself into the patch, which really provides that strength that you're looking for. Let your compound dry, and then you can lightly sand it with your sanding sponge. Apply as many coats of compound as you need, and lightly sand, scuff it, see how it looks until you have that flawless finish that you are looking for. Now just paint over the surface, and you won't even be able to tell that there used to be a hole there. It's going to be perfectly smooth. Okay, that's it, we're done. How easy was that? And honestly, this is the best way to repair a hole in your drywall or ceiling.